we are going to discuss about the basis of accounting. Basis of accounting means what are the ways through which accounting can be done, or what are the ways through which records may be made in the books. So there are three bases of accounting. The first one is cash basis of accounting, the second one is accrual basis of accounting, and third one is hybrid basis of accounting. Now let us discuss about cash basis of accounting. Cash basis of accounting is a basis of accounting where transactions are recorded in the books of account on the actual receipt and payment of cash. So transactions are recorded in the books of account when actual cash is received or when actual payment is made through cash. So credit entries, whether it is credit sales or credit purchase, do not find place in cash basis of accounting. So revenue is recognized only when cash is received, and payment is recognized only when cash is paid for the expenses. So this is the meaning of cash basis of accounting. Now what are the advantages of this cash basis of accounting? It is a very simplest form of recording. Second, it is free from personal judgment and personal decision making of the accountants. And this kind of, or this type of records are mainly made in the not for profit organizations. So this is the meaning of cash basis of accounting. Now if we talk about the disadvantages, the first disadvantage is it do not follow the fundamental accounting assumption, that is the accrual principle. This is one of the major disadvantage of cash basis of accounting, that it do not follow the fundamental accounting assumption of accrual concept. And second limitation or second disadvantage of cash basis of accounting is it will not show the true and fair view of the profit, because credit transactions are not recorded in cash basis of accounting. So this is all about cash basis of accounting. So students, now let us talk about the accrual basis of accounting. What is accrual basis of accounting? So according to this basis, revenue and expenses are recorded in the period in which they become due, rather they are received or not. So according to the accrual basis of accounting, revenue and expenses are recorded in the periods in which they become due, rather they are received or not. For example, credit sales will be included in the total sales of the business. If service has been taken and expenses has not been paid for that service, then also that amount of expenses has to be recorded in the books of account. Okay, so prepaid expenses, accrued income, outstanding expenses, income received in advance, this all are the elements of accrual basis of accounting. So under accrual basis of accounting, all the transactions of the current period, whether paid or unpaid, will be recorded in the books of account. It means that the profit or loss is calculated by matching the expenses with the revenue, and hence it can be concluded that the matching principle is followed in the accrual basis of accounting. If we talk about the advantages, it is the most comprehensible approach of recording. It gives importance to the most fundamental assumptions of accounting, that is accrual concept. Okay, and it helps to calculate the true and fair view of the profit of the business. So these are the advantages of accrual basis. If we talk about the limitation, it is quite complicated compared to the cash basis of accounting. Okay, different kind of adjustments need to be made in the books of account related to accrued income, income received in advance, prepaid expenses, outstanding expenses. So all these adjustments are required to be made in the books of account because of the accrual basis of accounting. So these are few limitations, but according to the Companies Act, accrual basis of accounting should be followed while recording in the books of account. So this is all about accrual basis of accounting. Hello students, now let us discuss about the hybrid basis of accounting. So what is hybrid basis of accounting? Hybrid basis of accounting is a basis of accounting where the revenues are recorded on the cash basis and the expenses are recorded on the accrual basis. So this is a basis of recording where revenues are recorded on cash basis and expenses are recorded on accrual basis, and this basis of accounting is disregarded by all the authorities because this basis of accounting do not help the accountant to calculate the income accurately. So this basis of accounting is totally discarded by the authorities, including the tax authorities.